Tell me if you think my app is doing too much. This is Opsette. I'm Ruthnie, and I've been building Opsette for the last 7 months with Claude Code and a bunch of other AI tools, but now I really found my rhythm with Claude Code working in VS Code. So Opsette is an all-in-one business toolkit. The reason I was inspired to build it is because I work as an operations manager at a startup company, and I work with a lot of systems. So I'm the person at the company who's going to help us subscribe to new systems, set it up, migrate us from one to the other. So I started to develop this, interest, this curiosity for systems, and just also being interested in the fact that people are subscribing to these apps every day. A lot of apps do one thing. And there have been times where I've had to spend a lot of time making one app connect with another one. I learned integrations and APIs and webhooks and all of that. And I thought, what if one app could do everything? This isn't for everybody, but I definitely saw it as an opportunity for me to practice website building. So this is what I have. Let me show you what it does. So this is like the dashboard. Obviously, there's a little activity center. We have some quick action buttons here, so you can book an appointment. Hopefully the video is not too glitchy. I think it might be, so I won't open anything else up. But you can view appointments, products, orders. We have an insights section that'll show you trends for your business. There's a little thing up here that'll show up to let you know if there are clients that are available for rebooking. So this is geared towards like small businesses, even tiny businesses, or hobbyists who take their hobbies seriously. We have this cute command palette where you can search for everything globally inside of the app. You can search for specific appointments or clients in here or tasks. We have an inbox button here that'll open up our inbox page so you can like DM other users in the app. Notification panel, quick actions. You can store bookmarks that you need like to use all the time rather than maybe saving it on your browser. You can carry it with you inside of the app on your phone, so you have your bookmarks with you all the time. And then clips are basically like kind of stickies. And then a lot of our pages have a guide that explains to you maybe kind of like how to operate the page. And let's look at our insights page. This is where we'll see more trends and milestones. Right now, this is my test account, so there's not anything in here. Activity page and calendar, not much to write home about. We have our reminders page that shows any reminders that are set from tasks. The app also allows you to set reminders for like business things. Like it's in Florida, it's annual report season. So inside of the like company profile, you can set up your state and entity, and it'll look up exactly what you need to do in order to file your report. So hopefully this isn't too glitchy, but this is what it shows. So this is what you have to pay in Florida. And then there's the late fee, and this is where you file. So it's supposed to be smart, right? There's time tracking. We have a couple of different clock modes. This is a hub to see appointments and tasks per user. So this is like my work. This is where you can see bookmarks and clips. And I know this is a lot, and I have like 2 more minutes to go. Let's go for some of the bigger domains. So services. This is where you can set up your own services. Like if you are a service company and you offer appointments, you can set them up, set up the times. You actually have a full booking page. So there's a booking interface. People can actually find you, make appointments with you. They'll get a confirmation. You'll get a confirmation, and then you can track the appointment inside of the app. Okay. And then what else? You can generate a QR code. You can embed your appointment page into another website if you want to. You can actually change colors here. You can keep or remove your logo. Your logo is set up inside of your profile. And we have our workspace hub. Inside of here, it basically just kind of, pulls together every single other entity inside of the app. You can see appointments that are related, docs. You have this cool workspace calendar. What else? The finance dashboard. It helps you balance your books. You just set up your chart of accounts, but we help you do that. Balance journal entries and then transactions. You can scan documents. I actually have this this extension that I created as well. So if you go into your email account, I'll just show you my email here. And the extension detects that there's a receipt in your Gmail. It's going to pop up right here and offer you to add the transaction into your app. So is that OD? I don't think so. I think it's helpful. And then there's contact management or client management. You could set up clients and vendors. And then we have our apps. So there's our docs, all stored in here. You have e-signature available. The storefront, you can actually create a custom, like build your own website and then host your own domain, or we'll host your domain for you. And what else? I'm trying to go through this very quickly. We have Canvas, which is basically a whiteboard, and I'm just building this roadmap here for some content that I'm going to post. It's going to be our little free PDF cheat sheet. We have forms, and just like with your booking page, you can actually embed these forms anywhere you want. So my business Be Built is actually where I build custom apps for small businesses as well. So this is just my intake form for anyone who wants me to analyze their systems and see what I can do to help them either streamline or build an app. And what else? We have our hub, which is the latest. So this is basically a link tree. It ties in your booking page, your website, your forms, and builds out this link tree for you. So you can just like drop into any of your, social media bios. You can add social media accounts. Where did they get this from? That's weird. And yeah, so that's Opsette. Sometimes I feel like it's doing too much, but at the same time, I can't stop building on it. I don't have any users yet. I would love to have some beta users who want to sign up and test it. Let me show you the main page. So I'm actually on the local server. So let me go into the main app. You can take a tour. I've started posting some videos here on the tour page. It's kind of showing the features that I just breezed through just now. And then I also have some blogs that are supposed to be helpful for small businesses. Because again, I too am a small business, just working on my workspace designing. Last thing too, that's kind of cute. If you don't want a full website, let me actually look at our providers page. No, let me start with booking because it's cute. What I hope is once we get enough users in here, then, we already have our booking page. Someone can come onto our site and start to search for their service provider. Once they find them, you see this cute little business profile. And then when you view the whole profile, this is another kind of like way that I want to like expose myself and expose other, businesses. So it's pretty much built out. I just need someone to come in and use it. You click book appointment and then it opens up that same booking page. So I love it. I don't know who wouldn't, but yeah, let me know if it's too much.